In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a trailing stop on MatchTrader. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign into your account, and from here, you want to go to the Trade tab up top, and you want to find something you want to trade. So I'm going to go to the search button, click on crypto, and we're just going to go with something simple. Maybe let's actually just find Bitcoin USD. It's over here. So I'm going to click on it like that. There we go. And then you want to click on this button to enable the advanced order window. So when you do this, it's going to pop this up, and of course you can select your order type, etc. But the most important part is going to be here just below your volume where it says stop loss. So to set a trailing stop, you want to enable stop loss, and down here it says trailing stop. Of course you can set your stop loss, check mark next to trailing stop, and there we go. That's going to set a trailing stop on your order. Then of course you can add a take profit as well if you want to, and then you can either buy or sell via the buttons over here, and you are good to go. That's how to set a trailing stop on MatchTrader. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.